Although, diseases have been in our lives since the day of human existence. One of the things we hear the most with the pandemic we live in: antibodies. So, what is an antibody? With the definition made by Wikipedia, an antibody, also known as an immunoglobulin, is a large, Y-shaped protein used by the immune system to identify and neutralize foreign objects such as pathogenic bacteria and viruses. We don't understand, Chuck? Okay, let's explain it this way. A foreign component enters our body, which can happen in many different ways. Our body reacts. Especially if the foreign thing is an organism and it wants to reproduce by its own nature, our immune system starts its task. The structure of this antigen also contains protein. According to the protein structure on the antigen, our body develops structures with corresponding protein structures, just like Lego. We call these protein structures antibodies. Since the protein structure in each antigen is different, the antibody structures must also be different. So this means that the antibody, developed by our body for a simple flu virus, does not have any effect on another simple virus. There are 5 different types of antibodies. More precisely, there are 5 basic structures, in which the basic structures are the same, and only the protein end of the antigen is different. We can say that it has more than 1 million combinations with its subvarieties. Although, it may seem complicated. The abbreviation Ig represents the structure of immunoglobulin, and G represents the antibody type. When we look at these, each type has fundamentally different characteristics and they are present in our body in different proportions. The Ige antibody is coded from our mother to us, and provides the protection of babies against external factors in the first week after birth. In the meantime, the antibody codes of all the diseases, with external factors, that your mother has had throughout her life will be passed on to you and you will be protected. Yes, you can go and thank your mother. In fact, one of the greatest features of IgG is that it recognizes most of the antigens that enter the body and provides an alarm in the system. The Igm antibody consists of 5 antibodies, and is produced by our spleen. The Ige antibody kicks in when we encounter allergens and is only found in mammals. For example, bee sting, asthma, allergic rhinitis. Ige antibody, it is thought to be an intermediate antibody, and plays a role in stimulating antibody production. In recent studies, it is thought to be effective in immunity against parasites. Ige antibody, we produce an average of 3 to 5 grams of this antibody each day. But that's because it's only in our digestive system, where microorganisms and foreign matter are most likely to be found. In each case, the Ige antibody only provides protection here. In short, we can say that antibodies are the main warrior of our defense system that protects our body against diseases. Hey, by the way, how can we keep our antibody level at a high level, and how can we be prepared for diseases? Is the answer a vaccine? I do not think so. We will explain the answer to the question in another video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.